In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in Notion. By the end, you will have an extra layer of security on your account so that even if someone gets your password, they can't get in without a second code that only you can access. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. If you're not already signed in, click Login. If you're already set up on this device, you might see Launch Notion instead. That works too. Once you're in your workspace, look at the left sidebar. At the very bottom, click Settings. This is where all of your account preferences and security options live. Before you can turn on two-step verification, Notion requires that you set a dedicated Notion password. This is important, especially if you originally signed up with a single sign-on provider and never created a password. In the security area, click Add Password. Create a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else, then confirm it. Take a moment to store it securely in a trusted password manager so you don't lose access later. With your password set, you're ready to enable two-step verification. Still in Settings, look for the two-step verification section and click Add Verification Method. Notion will prompt you to enter your Notion password again. This quick check confirms it's really you making the change. Next, choose your second verification method. You can use an authenticator app or you can use your phone number. An authenticator app generates time-based codes on your device, even if you're offline, and is generally considered the more secure option. If you go with an authenticator app, follow the on-screen instructions to connect it. You'll typically scan a QR code in your app, then enter the 6-digit code it gives you to confirm. If you choose the phone number option, you'll be asked to add and verify your number. Enter your number carefully, then check your phone for a one-time code. Type that code back into Notion to complete verification. Once that's confirmed, your phone number becomes your second step, and you'll receive a code by text when you sign in. That's it. Two-step verification is now on, and from this point forward, after entering your Notion password, you'll be asked for the code from your chosen method. This simple setup dramatically boosts your account security with minimal friction in your daily use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.